cannot get my words out, and I just feel like so frustrated. I'm just gonna start. You guys probably like, I just clicked on this video and it's way more dramatic than what I thought it was gonna be. We're here for an activewear try-on haul. I know, but I cannot talk today. Anyways, let's go. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can tell from the title, we're gonna be doing a ONER Active try-on haul and review. This is Krissy Cela's brand. She is a fitness influencer here. Really, she's more of like a businesswoman, I would consider her. She's a boss. And I've been following her for a minute. I've seen her other drops, but I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. I do not purchase activewear nowadays unless I feel like it's an absolute must. Like, I need it in my life. Partly because I do a lot of sponsored content with Lululemon and I live in the Align leggings. I just feel like I have an excess of activewear, and sometimes I justify it with saying, oh, it's part of my job, but I'm trying to be cautious and more like picky with what I actually purchase. So I only have 3 items, which I don't know why, I got this big old bag. It looks like I got more in it. That's okay with me, but I did only get 3 items. So yeah, what made me pull the trigger and actually purchase some stuff is when she dropped the Effortless collection. I was like, I'm gonna need those leggings. They looked real good. They looked amazing on her. And I was like, yeah, I feel like I really will love these. So I did get a pair of leggings from the Effortless collection, and I believe I got the biker shorts from the other, like the classic. We'll read what they're actually called. I got the classic seamless cycling shorts, the classic seamless sports bra, and then the effortless seamless leggings. So they're all seamless. I'm really actually, like I said, I'm so excited because I am very picky nowadays, and these were just screaming at me, and especially this color. Also, I'm really excited because I waited days, y'all, because I wanted to try it on camera. I wanted to be an honest, like, first impression for you guys, and I've had this package for a couple of days, and it's really hard for me to not just rip stuff open and try it on right away. So anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbing. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and turn on the post notification. That way you never miss a video from your girl. But we're gonna jump into this because, like I said, I really can't wait any longer. I'm really excited. I have high hopes for this stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into this try on. All right, so the first item we're gonna be trying on is the classic seamless cycling shorts in the color Blue Marl. So this is really nice. Actually, really love the quality. Like, just touching and feeling it, it feels high quality. The waistband is super thick, so that's good. You can have some tummy control, I feel like. And then it has like the contour down the side, but everything is pretty like minimal. I would say, obviously, she labeled it the classic seamless, so she wants it to be a classic, a staple. I feel like she didn't go too crazy with the design, which is what I like and what I gravitate towards. I really do like something simple, and I like that her branding is minimal. It's very small. I personally don't like a big, I don't want your brand just like huge on my stuff. I want, the legging to speak for itself, or the short, or whatever I'm wearing. So it has the logo right here on the end of the short, and then up here, and it is just like a print stamp on or whatever. It's not like embroidered or anything, but really cute. It does have like a little contour in the back, but I really am impressed with like how they feel. Like, they just feel really good quality, and they feel really stretchy, and I love how thick the waistband is. And your girl just had a baby, so I really love the tummy control and appreciate that nowadays. So I'm gonna try this on first, and then we'll talk about the sports bra. Okay, now me trying these on, and I was like, hold on, these are cute, but where's the logo? Girl, I had them on backwards. But I have to say that these were a lot harder to get on than what I thought. But I'm not saying that in a negative way, because I just think that, again, they're really quality, but I don't know why I was thinking that they were gonna be a lot like stretchier. So for these, I'd have to say I definitely like them. I don't know if I like absolutely needed them, but like I said, the thing that I was really excited for is the Effortless collection. So I knew that these would probably be something that's like similar to what I already have, but I do feel like they are really good quality, and I love like the extra tummy control you have with the band. Sorry, I'm looking to the side over here because I'm kind of looking at them as I'm talking about them, but I really do, like I said, I really like the fit. I feel like they are quality, and it does do the booty some justice, even though it doesn't have like a crazy contour like I'm gonna be expecting with the Effortless. But I love the color. I feel like the fit is nice, and I love that it doesn't have a middle seam that goes up the middle, because because even though I'm obsessed with the line, they do got that middle seam, and that causes quite the bit of camel toe. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the classic seamless sports bra. Okay, y'all, this sports bra is giving what it needs to give, period. Like, ain't no other way around it. It's cute, it's supportive. I'm not even, well, I used to not be the sports bra type of girl because I really didn't have much of a chest, so I'd always tend to go towards bralettes. but then becoming a mother, my boobs grew. Now I understand a sports bra and why you do need some support. But yeah, it is really supportive, but extremely comfortable. I don't feel like it's squeezing me around the armpit area, which tends to happen a lot with sports bras. It's really comfortable around there, but like I said, yeah, really supportive. I do also love how short it is. I appreciate that because you guys know I'm always talking about how short of a torso I have, and you know, a lot of sports bras just eat my torso up, and then I'm looking like I'm wearing a onesie because everything is meeting at the seams. So I like that it is not that like long, and I did get it in a size small, and I absolutely love how it fits. I was a size small beforehand, and I didn't know if it was going to be too tight now. And I did take out the padding, and I did this little like crossover that I see she does a lot of the time, which I can put it back over and show you guys what it looks like normally. And I think it's still very cute this way, but I did like that little variation that you could do with it. It is cross back. Don't mind my back knee. That also came with pregnancy. But yeah, I definitely have to give this sports bra a 10 out of 10. This sports bra is super cute. I love the color, and I just really like the way it looks and feels on. But enough of these pieces. Let's go ahead and get on to the main course. The main meal, what I really, like I said, what made me pull the trigger was these Effortless leggings. And this blue, y'all, I did open it up and just because I needed to see this blue in person. And I'm not even fronting, like I said, this is not sponsored and nothing. The best way to describe it, it's super rich. Like the blue is like so vibrant, but also subtle, if that makes any sense. Like it's not a neon, obviously, but it is like really rich blue, and I just love it. I really think it's gonna look so good on. I cannot wait to try these on. So as you can see, it has like a little scrunch here on the back. I think that it kind of like stretches out and you don't really see the scrunch detail when you have them on. And then it does have some subtle contouring, just like the seamless down the sides, but it has like a little extra contour. The seamless just has like the ribbed, but this also has like 2 lines that's going down as well. Size small, and enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on because I cannot wait any longer. Alrighty guys. You guys need these leggings. I knew it. I knew my prediction was correct. These are so cute. I don't know how many times I've mentioned I had a baby in this video, but body changed so much. And it really takes a lot for me to feel confident in activewear right now because I've lost so much muscle. But they just sit right where they need to sit. You don't even really need to like do that whole like jump up and down and squat 10 times to really get your leggings to like get in place. Because of that contour in the back, they just kind of go where they need to go. I do love the 7/8 length. For me, it hits like the perfect length, and I'm 5'2". Yeah, I have to give credit where credit is due. She did her thing on this. Miss Krissy Cela, you did this, girl. And because I feel like she is a consumer as well, like she knows what looks good. She knows what the girls want. She knows what we want. We want our butt to look good. We want to feel confident. We need that tummy control. Like, I feel like that's why her brand is probably so good already, because like I said, she is a consumer. She knows what we want, and she did it for me. I mean, I really can't find something that I'm like, I don't like. I feel like the price point is reasonable, and I just can't stop looking at myself. So I think that'll tell you it all. But anyways, that is it. Like I said, I only have 3 pieces today, so I hope that I gave you some insight. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to get my body back to where it was so I could really be confident in this. But I feel good now, and I'm gonna love my body through all stages. I feel like we just tell ourselves that sometimes, but no, I really am proud of my body for what it's done, and I feel like just wearing stuff like this just gets me excited to get back to where I know I can be, or actually not get back to, but continue forward, bounce forward. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel here, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye!